Today, I'd like to introduce you to extremely practical audio cable, the 3.5 millimeter male to 2 RCA male audio cable. Let's dive into its features. One end is a 3.5 millimeter male connector, which is a common audio output interface on smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other portable devices. The other end cleverly transforms into two RCA male connectors, which is widely used on audio speakers, amplifiers, and other devices. It caters to all your audio device connection needs, delivering an exceptional audio experience. Whether you're a music lover, podcaster, video creator, or professional audio worker, this audio cable will be your go-to companion.